Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack files using app called Rar on your Lenovo Legion. So in order to do that, you will need to locate the files that you want to compress into zip or RAR. So I have a few pictures in my DCIM and camera, and I'm just gonna select the files that I want to add to my RAR file. And if I selected everything that I want to pack, I'm gonna press on the button with the plus, and from here I can begin to create my RAR file. So the extension will be RAR. You can change it to zip or RAR 4.x. You can select to delete the files after the archiving process or create the solid archive. Here you can change the name of your RAR file, and I'm just gonna call it picture. Here you can set the password for your file, and it's gonna be simple 1 2 3 4. If you're not sure that you've typed it in correctly, you can show the password or encrypt the file names if you want as well. After you've set up your password, press on the OK button to go back. Now in the advanced section you can change any of these settings. You don't need to, they might be important if you want to make more complicated files. In the options you can also change a few options if they interest you. Now in the comments you can leave any comment or text about the files or RAR or zip file you're creating. So I've set up everything and I'm ready to create the RAR file. So I'm just gonna press on the OK button, and here it just created the RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.